of our special guests up here. तैयार हैं ना आप लोग? जी। तो रामाचरण त्रिपाठी साहिब जो इस तरफ से आइए प्लीज। तो I apologize. What is the name? The exact name? संस्कृत ग्रुप के president और treasurer? Yes. Okay. So here we go. एक काम कीजिए, ये पकड़िए। आप भी आ जाए जी। तो why don't you, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about, this is a non-profit that you guys are running here, doing wonderful community service. तो थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें अपने ग्रुप के बारे में।
Namaste. Very good evening to all ladies, gentlemen, and our young friends who have joined here. Thank you. We started our Sanskriti non-profit organization last year, and we conducted one of the most successful event, Ma Durga Puja event, and we did that in a unique way, that is following all the traditional methods, process that is being done in our mother country. All the process was followed, and it was a 4-day ceremony, and a lot of people from Dallas, around Dallas, and other cities came and participated that, and it was one of the most successful event. So I'm the president, and Lakshmi Babu is our treasurer, Manoj Babu is one of the board member and secretary. So we want to continue our mission and vision. One of the vision is to construct a cultural bhavan, Sanskriti bhavan, so that all our people, community people, can come and celebrate their events there, cultural and any other function. So that is our objective. So, and one of the main objective of Sanskriti is to preserve, celebrate, and pass our culture and tradition to our next generation, because we are far away from our motherland. So our kids, our future generation should follow their route. That is most important. That is the objective of Sanskriti. So thanks you all for inviting us. We are planning to celebrate one more most important event, that is Father's Day. Father is one of the most important person than mother. We could not able to celebrate Mother's Day, but next year we will definitely do it. So this Father's Day celebration we are doing in Sigri Grill on 15th June, and we invite all of you to come join and celebrate and appreciate the values, the support we got it from our fathers, father-like figures, and our generation, and pass it to our next generation. And most important is appreciate. And we will have all this fun. Per person's ticket is only $10, and we provide snacks. And most important is from Orissa, you know, pan. Those who are love eating pan, they will get pan. And we will also organize some special dishes from Orissa there. So please come and join. ये जो महफिल अभी जमा है, we will continue that in Sigri Grill on 15th June. Again, thank you very much for listening to us, and please join and let us celebrate. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, Ramachandran Sahib. You know, it's a wonderful initiative, which is important, as you said. You know, we're miles, hundreds of thousands of, well, maybe not hundreds, tens of thousands of miles away from our homeland. So it's always important to keep that tradition alive as we raise the next generations to, you know, obviously the excellent thing about this country in which we live is that it's such a wonderful melding pot, right? So assimilation is important, but so is the adherence to our cultural and traditional values. So it needs to be a combination of all those things. So it's always wonderful to hear these types of efforts because it does that half that's necessary. A lot of times what happens is within एक generation में जो है आपका culture बिल्कुल मिट जाता है because बच्चे हिंदी नहीं बोलते, कुछ जानते नहीं है ना religion के बारे में ना culture के बारे में. So it's always good to keep that combination alive. Assimilate them into the American culture, but also keep those traditions alive. So thank you so much for everything you do. Father's Day के बारे में मैं कहना चाहता था कि you know दुनिया की population किसको पता है कितने लोग हैं दुनिया पे इस जमीन पर रहते हैं? 8 बिलियन लोग रहते हैं. तो Father's Day ऐसा दिन है जो सारे के सारे हर एक उस 8 बिलियन में से हर एक फर्द को मनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि या हर कोई जो every single person who lives on this planet, either they're a father or they have a father. To celebrate हर किसी को करना चाहिए. So thank you so much for putting this together, and I'm going to hold you to it. Next year we're going to do same thing for mothers, right? You're either a mother or you have a mother. So we will look forward to celebrating that next year. And thank you again for everything that you guys do. Thank you, Manoj. Alrighty, next कौन है? I should have been, मुझे इतने भाषण देने की बजाय मुझे देखना चाहिए था नेक्स्ट कौन है. ये मैं you know पहले मैं समझता था आपने अपना नाम देसी बेगम लिखा हुआ है, but it's डेजी. आप एक्चुअली देसी का उलट है, डेजी. आप विलायती बेगम हैं. So मैं दावत दूंगा तमन्ना, हमारी अपनी तमन्ना डेजी को यहाँ पर आने की.